Yeah, finally got in the Chicago store here. Windy City. This is nice. I bought a sweatshirt when I was here with a friend of mine a long time ago. They have all they want for these bad boys. $40 for this. Not bad.
Another store that has some stocking caps in Toronto. There's a couple over here.
Probably didn't buy a Blackhawks one.
Why?
Got the Chicago, you got the Cubs, the Bastards. You can have your hooch. Sweatshirts galore. Shot glasses. That's nice. That's a nice one right here. I like that one. More shot glass. I have a minor shot glass collection. Not a big deal. What? What do you think, huh? You like it?
At this point, I don't care. Get that right there.
Okay, she got a pink one. All right.
More than I would pay, but
When you're cold, you're cold. Al Capone, Big Al. 2 for $20. Wrigley Field. More of the gangster juice. That'd be a nice one. My brother. There's no, one thing I like about this store, there's no music, so I can videotape. That's kind of nice. I think I got something with this last time. Something like that one. It's a Chicago one. That's $40. Not bad. Really cheap. $24.
no, I'm good, thank you.
Of course, you gotta have the cockroaches. All the things up there. Wrigley. I knew a kid who loved Sandberg. He passed away. Loved that kid.
You want some change?
Sure.
No, you're fine. It's even on sale.
Not bad. How much cost? Not bad. I was almost going to throw my Blackhawks beanie one on before I left. I was almost going to throw my beanie in the car before we left, but I was thinking.
Well, I'm meant to grab mine. Grab my cat and not my stuff.
Obviously, kid stuff here. But yeah, you have sweatshirts and stuff, and the Bears. I brought this one for the girls. Be nothing left. But Chicago's. The Bears, the bitches. These are pretty cool pictures. I like to do that. So if you have any, you want to start brainwashing the kids, there you go right there. Especially if you have like if you're living out of state or something, your kid has your dad has someone has a child in your family, you bring them some bull stuff or something, get them brainwashed. I used to brainwash kids, be Blackhawks fans and stuff all the time. Windy City, baby. $45. Oh yeah, it's pink. Peach, all right. Here you go, girlfriend.
I think not.
$41.
I like this one.
That's nice.
Simple.
Yep.
Like me. I like the color too.
Yeah. Windy. I have that one I bought last time I was in there. That sweatshirt, Chicago one I like. That white one. Pink. All kinds of. Not cheap. One thing about Minnesota, tax free. Chicago. Got the cups and stuff. Yes. You don't want to break it, you're going to buy it. I don't know who this is. I only have like, so if you want a transformer, personal transformer car. Coal. Let's see. Ooh, this one's Sue Ellen.
No thanks.
Oops, sorry, it's okay. Now I want to move. Chicago girl. These are kind of cool. These are, put this on your desk. It is what? 28 bucks. Yeah.
Got this in the front, back, and then this is the back.
Oh, nice.
It's different. I mean,
Yeah. Nice.
it's really different. I like it. It's unique.
Something different.
Yep.
I like these globes right here. These globes. Look at these.
Oh yeah.
So. Yeah, you can get unique with your sweatshirts. Was it your mom that liked the bells?
Yep. Oh, welcome in. Would you like your hoods are removed in the store, please? Yeah. Oh, yeah, thank you.
Who took all those bells anyways?
We've got a couple.
Okay.
Like if special ones that like that you gave.
Right.
Like they went on the auction. I mean, we have a couple that we gave Mom.
Right.
Like I don't remember which ones we have. The unique ones. It wasn't just a boring.
Right. It's kind of cool. Chicago. Where was that one place that had that big, the park we went down to? It had a big globe or something walked underneath. The bean. Remember going down
It was
that?
okay. That didn't impress me.
No, I know.
Yeah, last time we stayed closer to Michigan Avenue.
Yep.
I mean, this time it was designed to stay close to the United Center.
Right.
That's why we're here. But
Send a card off to somebody that you were here.
let's go.
All right. All right.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. All right. We had our fun, our run in there. We'll walk around someplace. She got her little beanie. She's happy.
My ears are happy.
Yeah. A little windy. That is those are cool buildings.
Yeah. They should have been ready
to open at 11, not
Oh, yeah, I know.
11:03.
Yep.
Sorry. Now what?
I don't know. Want to walk across the river or what?
Sure.
Here it is, the Blackhawk store. You can go broke. Oh, there we go. Get a green light. Perfect.
Oh, either way, we're waiting.
What?
Either way, we're waiting to cross.
Right.
Yeah, I wish I had my scarf. Never really bring it.
The Hunches Tower. Here we go.
That's all I saw. It was like, oh yeah.
Here we go. Then we have on a piece of paper. Oh, and they're selling all kinds of stuff here.
Which one you like?
There's a boat cruise right there. Too cold for that. The water's still kind of green.
A little bit, yeah.
Hang on, I'll stop it. Here we go.